Welcome to my channel. Now this is a short video about answering a question or a couple of questions about specific hinges that I'm using in my hidden door, which is here. So I thought I'd post it now to whet your appetite so you can see just how we're going to form this hidden door in one of the upcoming videos. And if you're watching this after the video and you haven't seen that video, go and check that video. It's about the StreetTech panel that I'm making, which is like the slatted wall. And it's basically this quick glimpse. I don't want to give too much away. So this is the bit which has got the mirrors housed in. It's going to go into screens, which are going to go around these radiuses, join back into this wall, and there is the hidden door. So the hidden door hides a little changing area, shower room, and what have you. And these are the hinges. They're called 3D hinges, okay? And they're completely recessed into the door and into the frame, and they allow me to hang the door on the opposite side of the lining. So normally the door would hang on the side of the lining of the room it's opening into, okay? So it should be on butt hinges on the back of the lining. You can see the lining, the width of the lining there, it's painted, and everything else on the outside stays in the white, if you like, or as timber, as the StreetTech. It's the feature of the build, if you like. So the hidden door works by hanging on the outside of the lining, enabling us to close the door and it be all flush with, and you wouldn't even know it's there, okay? So I'll just show you what it looks like on the other side. On the other side, the door is the oak faced fire check door. It's painted, so it's just typical, and it just, as I say, just hides a little shower, toilet, and there'll be some changing bits here. So going back out, this is a typical door hung in a lining, so it's hung on the side of the room that it opens into. Let me just open the door, demonstrate that. I mean, it's a bit dark in here. Turn the light on. So there we go, there's the butts. That's hung on that side. So these hinges are particularly good. They're by, I believe these ones are an Italian company called Seam, which is C-E-A-M. And I bought them through an ironmongery company called SDS. They're a bricks and mortar company. They're also online. And these, as I say, they come in lots of different sizes. You can get them tiny little ones that you can use with like an 18mm wide panel as well, so they're completely hidden. And these ones are designed to take up to 80 kilos. This door's around about 50 kilos. And they're fully adjustable up and down, obviously. They can throw the door left and right, and they can bring it in and out as well. So they're 3D adjustable. So they're a really nice hinge. And as I say, that's just a little answer to a question. I'll try to do more answers to questions like this in the future, because I often find if someone asks the question, other people don't ask it, but they also want to know. So I'm hoping that this is just an uncut video, an unedited video, a sneak preview, if you like, of what's what. And now I'm going to go and chill out. So have a really nice evening, whatever you're doing. And I'll catch you all again soon. And keep looking out for these videos on the StreetTech screen, the slatted screen. There's another sneak preview. That's all you're getting. Cheers. Thanks. Bye.